Rabbits can terminate their pregnancy. It's called fetal resorption. Fetal resorption. Now, fetal resorption, or if you want to call it pregnancy termination, self-pregnancy termination in rabbits, is a process where the rabbit system reabsorbs their pregnancy. Literally, the embryo, which is what forms the little bunnies that we see, is reabsorbed back into the rabbit system. Now, today we're going to discuss 6 reasons why this happens. The 6 reasons are: number 1 is stress, number 2, nutritional deficiency, number 3, illness or infection, number 4 is environmental factors, 5 is poor breeding conditions, and number 6 is the hormonal imbalance. So we're going to discuss each and every one of these. So the first reason, which is stress. Now, when a rabbit is pregnant, their body sends signals to their system whether to continue developing this baby or whether the situation around them, their environment, is not conducive for them to carry on the pregnancy. And then the system will say, okay, we hear you, bunny. We are going to put these babies forming in your womb back into your body because you are too stressed, and if you continue, this might cause trouble to you. That's the number 1. And therefore, it's very important for you to make sure that you're keeping your rabbit stress free. How can you do that? Some of the things is noise in the area. If you've got other animals in the environment that the rabbits are not used to, then it will be important for you to keep this animal away from the pregnant rabbit. Otherwise, within 2 weeks of pregnancy, they can always reabsorb it back into their system. So that's stress there for you. The second reason is nutritional deficiency. Now, we've got some rabbit keepers who give the same food to all their rabbits, no matter what the condition. It's just like human beings. When the women are pregnant, we change their diets. We know they have to eat a lot more egg, protein, and stuff in order, because remember, the babies forming in their stomach or womb need specific nutrition, and if they don't get it, if the rabbit's mama don't get it from the nutrition, the food you're giving it, then it will tell its system, nope, terminate this pregnancy, because there's gonna be problems when I give birth. Either I'm gonna give birth to very weak children, babies who might not survive, or I might not even survive myself. I might not even be able to feed my babies. So therefore, the rabbit terminates the pregnancy. Isn't that wonderful? God is so wonderful. The third reason is illness. Now, before you breed your rabbits, make sure you deworm the rabbit, you disinfect the room, you check the skin at the fur, make sure there is no sore or there's nothing forming. It's very important, because when the rabbit is not well, obviously it's not going to be able to carry the pregnancy, hence it will terminate the pregnancy. The fourth reason is environmental factors. Okay, so the temperature in Africa, where the heat is so much, just bear in mind the excessive heat in when a rabbit is pregnant, it's very important that you should know that this can lead to fetal resorption, as rabbits are highly sensitive to it. Now, number 5 is poor breeding conditions. So if you are of the notion that rabbits breed like rabbits, so therefore you're breeding them non-stop, and I have been in a situation where I was breeding my does 2 weeks after pregnancy, and it was catastrophic. And those are the days when we were learning how to keep rabbits. But we know now to give them plenty of time, make sure they wean their babies successfully, give them time to recover so that they are in tip-top form for when they are carrying the next pregnancy. Now the next one is the last one, and some of this is not really our fault, is a hormonal imbalance. Now hormonal imbalance can happen just because it can happen naturally. It's beyond our control. If the rabbit system is not ready, then it's not ready. I mean, you see human beings carrying pregnancy and going through a whole lot of ups and downs, and sometimes they end up having permanent permanent illness just for giving birth or carrying pregnancy. So this is actually beyond the control of we, the rabbit keepers. So this is a process where the rabbit, again, due to hormonal imbalance, the rabbit will reabsorb its pregnancy or its unborn baby. So in summary, fetal resorption is a survival mechanism used by rabbits when their bodies sense that the conditions are not ideal for them to carry on being pregnant. So it's very important to maintain optimal conditions, including a stress-free environment, proper nutritional and good health care. And hopefully this will minimize the chances of your rabbits terminating their pregnancy. Now, what are the things that you can do? Make sure that you create the right environment for them soon as they are pregnant, or before they are you breed them. Make sure you create the best condition for them so that they will be able to look after their babies successfully. This is another quality information education coming from Rabbito Farmino. If you like it, you know what to do. Subscribe and watch some more. Watch this video that we've put there, how we can use our box to improve our rabbitry. See you in the next video.